Who needs our help today?
Nothing so far, Adam. Did everyone enjoy their breakfast?
I didn't. You guys ate all the space loops again. I'm starving.
Maybe if you tried getting out of bed a little earlier, Bubby?
Distress signal coming through, Adam.
Patch it through.
Hello? Is that Adam? I need your help.
We've lost the signal. Shelby, did you manage to fix the coordinates?
Sure did, Adam.
Okay, crew, buckle up. We've got an alien to help.
Aye, aye, Adam.
Oh, so hungry.
Over there.
Oh, thank goodness. I'm Crunch, and I would have been stranded here forever if you hadn't come. You must be Adam.
That's me. And this is Speedy, Zuzu, and Bubby. Let's get you aboard and back on your way, Crunch. Aha! The Garden Nebula! That's where Crunch was headed before he got stranded. Guys, you better check this out.
And this is my favourite bowl. I just chop up all the veggies, toss them with some dressing, and... Mwah! Oh, all this talk of food is making me hungry. Me too. Something crunchy and orange and... oh, nachos!
Guys, anyone else worried that our guests might not arrive at the Garden Nebula intact? You don't mean. Bubby would never.
Well, you know what they say about rabbits and carrots, Adam? It's just in their nature.
Put yourself in Bubby's shoes, Adam. What if Crunch looked exactly like a giant chocolate chip cookie? Cookie. Nom, 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 nom. Adam. What? Oh, maybe it would be better to be safe than sorry. We just need to keep Bubby occupied somehow.
Oh, stop it, Bubby! It tickles! Achoo!
That's it, Zuzu. The odd job jar. There are enough odd jobs in that jar to keep Bubby and the rest of us occupied until we get Crunch safely to the Garden Nebula. Shelby, can you keep an eye on Crunch while we're keeping Bubby busy?
Aye, aye, Adam.
Mission accomplished, team. This is Bubby's idea of tidying up. Well, at least we kept him busy, and we're almost at the Garden Nebula. We should really tell Crunch he's almost home. Where is he, Shelby?
Crunch is alone on the bridge with Bubby.
But Shelby, we told you to keep an eye on Crunch while we were busy.
I did, but Bubby finished his last odd job 10 minutes ago.
Come on, crew. Action stations. No, Bubby. Please say you didn't.
What a meal!
Wait, what? Crunch is okay?
Bubby just cooked me the best nachos I've ever tasted. Just wanted you to feel at home, Crunch.
But, well, we thought you wanted to eat Crunch.
What? Just because I'm a rabbit. The very notion.
You see, on our world, Crunch, rabbits are famously fond of eating carrots.
Oh, I see. On my world, carrots are notorious for their fondness for eating rabbits. I'm kidding. Good one, Crunch.
Bye, Crunch.
Doodles.
All's well that ends well.
Another mission done and dusted. I think we can all enjoy a well-earned...
Distress signal coming through, Adam.
Adam, I am Crumbler, leader of the Nom Noms. We desperately need your help.
Nom, 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 nom.
What do we do, Adam? Adam? Adam?
Nom, 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 nom.
All aboard! There's a whole galaxy to explore. Galaxy to explore. Roll call!
Adam!
Speedy!
Bobby!
Shelby!
Blasting up to save the day. Making friends along the way. Working together, there's nothing we can do. Adam knows adventure. Adventure with you. That thing always scares the carrots out of me.
Distress signal coming through, Adam. Vicinity of Bromelia 7.
Patch us through, Shelby. I've never heard anything like it, Adam. And I speak hundreds of alien dialects. Anything in your data bank, Shelby?
Sorry, Adam. Not pulling up any results.
Buckle up, crew. We've got an alien to help, I think. Curious, I'm not picking up any life signs. There must be too much interference from all this dust.
Look at him! Tracks!
Well spotted, Speedy. Those don't look like any tracks I've ever seen before. Let's follow them.
Oh no!
Ow! Watch where you're walking.
Echo!
How do we get out of here?
Over there. Oh, the wings stopped.
Well, no alien in there.
Look, the tracks head that way.
Let's follow them! Follow them!
Bobby, we're not in the cave anymore. You can quit with the echoing.
But I'm not doing it on purpose.
How curious. Zuzu, are you okay?
Gesundheit!
Okay, this is just weird.
I think I know what's happening, Adam. Here, let me reverse playback.
Oh no! My voice is backwards! Okay, at least you can help us understand what Zuzu's saying. Right, Speedy? Not you too! Shelby, come in! Everyone's voices are changing. What do we do?
Mais qu'est-ce qui se passe?
The distress signal. Come on, crew. Let's get to the bottom of this. Hello. I'm Adam, and this is Speedy, Bobby, Shelby, Susie. Did you, call for help?
Mais qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Hey! I don't quite know what's happening, but we must all sound like this for a reason. Everybody say, how can we help? 1, 2, 3.
We can help you.
That's it. our new friends is just trying to find a way to communicate with us. When we speak together, we all sound just like him. That's why everything's all mixed up. Susan, can I borrow your translator, Gizmo?
We can help.
How can we help?
What is that thing?
It worked! This is Zuzu's translator device. We just needed a few keywords to decode your language.
Ingenious. My name is Bro. You see, no other creature in the universe can make sounds exactly like we Bromelians. And only by combining your distorted voices could you even come close.
That's why our voices sound funny, bro.
Yes, sorry about that. I had to make a few adjustments, a bit like your translator thingy. But we haven't a moment to lose. A long drought on this planet has meant there's nowhere at all for me to take root. If I don't find somewhere soon, I'll be blown clear into space once the typhoons start, and that could be at any moment.
Okay, Brew, we're gonna take Bro aboard Chili's so we can look for places to take root. Okay, Shelby, find us a lush bit of soil somewhere sheltered.
C'est parfait, Adam.
Perfect.
Take us in, Shelby.
Just perfect. I can't thank you enough, Adam. And to your gallant crew, my eternal gratitude. No problem.
Au revoir.
Later, Bro.
Toodle pip.
Oh, just one more thing, Bro. When exactly will the crew's voices return to normal?
Oh, just as soon as you leave the planet's atmosphere.
We have left Bromelia 7's atmosphere.
Phew! You said it.
And not a moment too soon. What?